Alright you guys, so here is the look that I would like to try for today. I know she used acrylic, but I do have the powders and stuff, like the pigments that I want to try to use to see if I can replicate this look on at least one nail. We're gonna try for one nail. Y'all know I'm good for the diamonds, but I think this is so cute. This is by V Nailed It. I've absolutely been loving her content. She vlogs and like, oh my gosh, her intro is just everything. So make sure you guys go check her out. She is like an amazing nail tech, and so that's what this video is inspired by. So if you never see the light of day to this video, it's because yeah, I couldn't figure out how to do it. So here we go. Hey. Okay, so she looks like she took the paint, and I'm gonna use this paint because I feel like this would be good enough for what I'm trying to do. And what nail I'm gonna use, let's do this hand. Oh, which side? I probably need to do this side. Oh, this is so difficult. Okay, no, and this is just a paint, so I don't know if she used a paint, but I feel like this would be a good idea. So it looks like she went thin. Okay, so I did that. Let me take some I forgot this ain't gel, so it takes a little bit more effort to get that off of there than this would normally take. Is that what she did? Did she do like a hold on, I'm gonna start over because I don't like it already. Okay, this is as good as I'm gonna get that little line over there. Now let's see. I think I'm pretty sure I probably have to
design using my white gel paint. We are going to cure that for 10 to 15 seconds, and then you're gonna go in with your pigment and basically rub it in. And what I like to do is make that rainbow ombre effect. So I'm taking the pink, the yellow, and then the blue, and then the blended part will turn orange and green.
Okay, so she says for 10 to 15 seconds. Oh child, I can't imagine doing all these nails like this. This is really stress my soul. Okay, so she took the pink. Let's open these up. So I just got these off of Amazon. They're a little difficult to open. I want to say, I think she ended up going back in and doing all the colors. So I'm gonna undo all of these that I think are going to play a factor. Chile. Okay, because I think when she gets here
quite a bit, and I kind of figured out what worked best. Tacky layer is the #1 most important thing. Use a good makeup brush that's gonna help you blend. I'm actually doing a little bit different on the
okay, so she went from pink to orange, and then I know blue's at the top. Yellow's in here somewhere. I think that's the color lineup. So she said we still want it to be tacky, so we're gonna use my makeup brush here, and we're gonna put the pink at the okay. Put a little orange. It ain't really Okay. All right, and then yellow. Now, the idea of it is to blend. Okay, this is not that bad. All right, then we'll go to green. Okay, and then blue. Well, not for nothing, it's it's a something out there. It ain't what she had all the way, but it is a something on there that's kind of cute. Maybe I can try it in a different. Let me try to blend just a little bit more. I think that's the key, is the blending of it. But yeah, here we go. We finally got it 15 minutes later. I don't know if I can struggle through another finger. But let's do let's try this hand. We'll give it a whirl and at least have, you know, 2 fingers with the design on it, and I think I'll feel okay with that. So I use this, but let's see, because I'm using my finger, I mean my left hand, so I put it on. Trying to draw that line straight is what got me. If you ain't worried about your line being straight, you Gucci. Cause I'm about to be Gucci-fied Gucci with this. Surprisingly, I feel like I did better on this hand than I did on the other one. Oh, shaky hand. Okay, so we have the math down now, so let's go ahead and put that in there. This is actually like really cute. Yo, I just want to add like a little something to the side or whatever. So it says for 10 to 15 seconds, so we're gonna do that. I'm excited. How cute is this? And I'm gonna put a top coat on it. Okay, so that's 10 to 15 seconds because we still want it to be. All right, now let's see if I can. Okay, so now if I just take it like this, and that's cute. Okay, so this hand did a little bit better. I'm gonna take a little bit of alcohol on here and just kind of clean that up before I put the top coat on. Just because I feel like that blue kind of like got everywhere. The blue didn't want to play nice out here. But yeah, it kind of smudged. But I wonder, can I go back in since I did that? Yeah, I messed it up. But that's okay. It still looks good. I'm still gonna go with it. We're just gonna wipe that off. I'm gonna quit playing with it before it decides that it doesn't want to do anything at all. So let's go ahead, and this is what it looks like. It's not that bad, actually. I think I need to work on the placement with the brush, like just to make sure that all of that gets on there. And maybe I was supposed to like dab it in a little bit more. But I'm satisfied. I'm gonna let this rock out. Let me put a top coat on here real quick, and I think I might do some jewels or something. Oh, pigment all over. Child, this is gonna be a mess. Let me find this top coat, this Curl Sky top coat. So I'm using this top coat here. I really don't want to get that all messy. Okay, so let's stick this in the oven. All right, so here we are. We have tried our V-nailed it. We only got the patience for doing this a couple of times. I may do it more when I have like some more time, but for the most part, it just add a little jazz to the nail. That's cute. I like that a lot. I'm thinking I might go back and like do the rest of them, just take my time. I don't know, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. How did I do? Did I do a good job? Did I kind of meet the V-nailed it standard? I feel like I did kind of an okay job. I wish I could find a, like, let me see if I can find her end result. Okay, so this is hers and this is mine. So how do you guys think I did? What do you guys think? This is hers and this is mine. Trying a V-nailed it experience. Like, how do we do? Yeah? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Mwah. KK, bye.